taco with the sauce. Welcome back to Surfside Jetty. Ladies and gentlemen, it's glass, y'all. Look at that glass. Look at that. Had to put it on my phone, show you the clarity. So it's been a while since we've been to Surfside Jetty. Let's get it, y'all. Right into the rocky road. Thought you were a cam, man. You look like my homeboy, huh? With that hat. Check this out. Fish. What's up?
I don't wear it.
What's up, bro?
What's up, man?
How you doing?
Caught one blue.
Blue?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I did not expect all this wind to come from nowhere. Wow, that is strong. Check this out, guys. We are here with Juan.
BMS, man.
Brandon Molina. Yeah. We came here because a Jetty man had a viral video with those Spanish Macs. He's the reason why we all got poured on.
When you see me here, it's probably a storm coming.
Oh, it's raining fish when Jetty man's here. Hey, that's a nice scooter, bro. What kind is that?
Zigzag.
Ooh, zigzag. You smoking it up?
The size up, man.
Bro. Real affliction, bro. Where did it came from, bro?
Man,
that was a special surprise, huh? Special surprise, bro. I didn't even know. Real affliction in years, bro. Wow, all I see is him catching like big snappers and stuff. He's like the snapper king, bro. That's about it.
Yeah, I was trying to catch some Spanish mackerel like Jetty Man right here.
I know, for real.
Spanish mackerel whisperer right here.
Yeah. Had to go to Cadillac. How you doing? What's up, man? What's going on? Water's a little dirty, but let's see. It's been a while. Got a croaker. Probably a catfish. It's fighting like one. Yep. Got a little fight to him. Might be a croaker. He's fighting like croaker. Catfish again. Just took off with it. I'll pull to him. Gotta wait. Another catfish. Woohoo! Second one. Whoa. Jigging it. Jigging it. I guess jigging it's the way. Ooh, catfish got it. Ooh, another one. Pretty soon, Chicken Express is gonna have to sponsor me because I am promoting them every time I see them. You gotta pull up, y'all. This one's an Alvin this time. It's looking extra. Delicious. I was gonna try the chicken tenders, but you know, you gotta go with that. I think that's an alligator over there. It's even cast to the alligator. I think that's an alligator. We're talking about a fish, and I finally get a fish. Yeah, ooh. It's got a little fight. Got a little fight to him. It's probably a croaker. It's probably a croaker. Yeah. Ooh, that's a redfish. Yeah, here's a redfish. Yeah, I've caught this size.
You know, they say don't keep them, but
No, you gotta keep. They gotta be 20.
I go straight to the panty now.
They gotta be 20 inches. That's $500 ticket.
I know.
I'm not taking that risk. Here we go. Beautiful fish. Good fight. Good fight. Get bigger now. Swimming off now. Swim away. If you come to Clear Lake, this is what you're gonna be catching. It's itty bitty gaff tops. Got a good one finally. Ooh, that's a good one. Finally got a good one. Putting that drag on. I left my net. I left my net at the other spot. We have to land this guy somewhere. It's a good one. I'm going to the rock. Ooh, on that drag, boys. It's been a while. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here. Going to be a catfish. Ooh, redfish, redfish. Look at that, boys. Good redfish. Whoa, that's a nice redfish. Look at that, y'all. Whoa. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful fish. Wow. Say hello to the subscribers. I know this is gonna be short probably. He's probably about He's probably about 15, 16. Let's get you back, buddy. Now, I know your bigger brother's out here somewhere. If you're out here, you definitely got a big boy brother around here. We got that on camera too. Caught a smaller one earlier. Catch and release. These guys gotta be 20. That was a good fight. Appreciate that. Looks like I won't be eating redfish tonight. But he fought good though. He fought. Beautiful. Beautiful fish. All right, come back as a 20. I am craving taro boba. That starts now on Bel Air. It's been a while since I've been here, y'all. But this is the original boba. The original boba. Came here when I was a teenager, I think. And these the real, this the real deal, y'all. The real deal. And that's the real taro, not the purple powder. Oh yeah. Real taro. I'm telling y'all, this the real deal. Real deal. Just poke it in the face like that. Just sit like that. 100 out of 10 all day. That's the real deal.